Hey guys, welcome to Mystic Mania, the Divine Rebio. I'm your friend, your mystical friend Mania, who's here to help you with your spiritual path and just life in general. So, today we're just going to go through a really complicated, a complex topic, the void. Have you ever felt like you're doing fine, you're doing well, but there's this disconnect between where you are and where you think you want to be? And not just in life, within yourself. There is this disconnect, there is this space, this void between who you're meant to be and who you are right now. This uncomfortable space where you know the potential that you carry, where you know that you're doing everything, yet that space, it's just this endless loop of not feeling like you are yourself. The space that is called the void, where you maybe feel stagnant or stuck. So we are going to channel some messages and talk about the void. I understand it's a very uncomfortable space to be in. But personally, having gone through that, I learned a lot of things, especially if you're on your spiritual journey. I mean, when I first had my spiritual awakening back in 2021, in the start, it was all very, it was feeling pure ecstasy without taking any substances. It was like feeling that pure joy, happiness. And I felt like I was absolutely floating. But then came this time where things felt stagnant, like I had reached a void where I was just free falling and I had no idea what was coming. I had no idea how to move forward. I felt lost, I felt scared. And honestly, when I look back today, I realized that even though it felt like things were stuck or stagnant, things were moving behind the scenes. When I felt like nothing was moving, they were. I was ascending. That was actually the time period where I learned the most because I had nothing, to distract myself with. I had nowhere to run from my fears, my limitations, my pain. And it was a time where I just had to face it all in order to ascend. So, whether you call it the higher power, universe, God, especially when you're on your spiritual journey, you reach this, usually it happens after the dark night of the soul, these ascension periods where you feel like you're in a void, you feel like you're on pause. Universe has given you like a timeout. And it's normal to feel, powerless, frantic, lost. You can even have anxious thoughts, but you need to remember that this time period that has been given to you, which you may feel is just time out, is actually universe's way of giving you the space, the time to ascend, to grow. You literally feel yourself changing from within, and you wouldn't notice it at first. It happens very gradually and in tiny manner. For example, When a caterpillar turns into a butterfly, it doesn't directly turns, into a butterfly, gets wings, and then just fly away. In that cocoon, that period, a caterpillar actually turns into a gooey stuff, like liquid. It turns into a butterfly. There is this period where you may feel like nothing is happening, where the caterpillar might feel like nothing is happening, but it knows it's going to turn into a butterfly. There's this period when you plant a seed and you don't see anything, and then, the leaves or the stem comes up. So there is always a time period where things are germinating, where things are building, and it might not appear so. And I completely understand it's hard to keep faith during those time periods because there's always the fear of the unknown, right? But it's during those periods where you need to have the faith. You need to believe in your becoming, in that process, and trust that this is all leading you to your highest possible version, to your higher self. So I'm just going to pull out a few cards and further discuss the void. So what do you need to know right now? Protection. Yeah, so if some of you guys are going through this period right now, the void, universe actually wants you to call back your power. The spirit is also there to help you. It's actually there to protect you in a way because you are your most vulnerable and most fragile self right now. Old structures, foundations are falling apart, new structures are forming, you're ascending, you know, you are having actually physical changes within your body, your cells and everything are regenerating. The wires in your brain, the divine rewire, like we call it, it's actually happening. And during this moment, you first of all, you are divinely protected. Universe is protecting you. And universe is specially keeping you in this, you're in this void because universe doesn't want you to be seen by wrong eyes. This is your process where you are becoming. You're not fully a butterfly, but you're no longer a caterpillar. This is the void where you're actually transforming. So this is a time to actually see people, places, or things that no longer serve you, and you cannot take them with you to the version that you're becoming. This is you calling your power back to yourself. Say no. Say no to people, places, and things that no longer serve you. That cannot be a part of the version that you're turning into. And don't feel guilty or bad about it. Trust the process. So, this is a protection, a divine protection. This is like a cocoon phase. Well, you have finished the cocoon phase. You're now in the void between, you're no longer a caterpillar, but you're not a butterfly yet. And it's just the space between. Oh, the ever unfolding rose cracked open. It's happening for you, not to you. Absolutely. This is what I'm saying. This can, this is happening for you. It's not happening to you. You're not in this void because you did something wrong or you deserve to, go through this mess, this messy, gooey stage. It's actually happening for you so that you can turn into this beautiful butterfly. And yeah, it's, uncomfortable, it's messy, it's gooey, but you are becoming the best possible version of yourself. And It's important for you to go through this becoming process, this transformation. And if you feel like, all the old structures are falling apart and you feel like you're in this space, this void, trust that you're unfolding like a flower and it's happening for you, not to you. Universe is not punishing you. You didn't do anything wrong. You're not stuck or stagnant because you made a bad choice or something like that. I mean, of course, if you're aware of those choices, work on them. But this space is for you to help your transformation. So, yeah, this is happening for you, not to you. I see many of you just let go. Let yourself flow. Again, it's coming off as trust the process. You are on your way somewhere. And only you can keep yourself present in this present energy. You're not actually captive. Oh, yes, the age of light. You've been training for this for lifetimes. So this is actually the process. First comes the protection. You enter this phase. You are in that cocoon. You're transforming. You've turned into gooey, fragile, vulnerable, self. Then comes the unfolding. All the false structures, all the old foundations are falling apart, coming down, so that new solid structures can be built. And it's not like those structures were necessarily wrong, but they are not, capable of handling the person that you're becoming. So you need to have new structures, new solid structures to become the version of you that you are becoming, your higher self. And then comes you. And it feels like, coming out of that cocoon phase, the butterfly. So this is you. And then you just pop out and you're ready to take your seat. You're ready to shine. You're ready to step into that butterfly energy, step into that higher version. And you're ready to channel all of that in the right direction. So you need training. This is your training period. Basically, this void could also be known as your training period. That universe is sort of, actually, in a way, it's a good thing. You are training because sometimes when we are given things that we're not ready for, we can very easily self-sabotage or just, self-sabotage. Because we have fears or limitations that we haven't, dealt with. So this is actually a good period for you. So in a way, the void is a blessing. This is a period of becoming, the transformation period, and actually the most essential period in this transformation process or on your spiritual path. So it is usually, somewhere between dark night of the soul and ascension, where you're actually, completely ascended. It's in the between, it's in the middle. And usually it's the middle part where you need to have the most faith, the most belief in yourself. So if you're going through the void, it's painful, it's messy, it's uncomfortable. I understand. I see you. I was you. But don't worry. When this gets over, you'll be out there, just ready to pop out, or you're already in that process, or it is coming for you. Just pop out of that cocoon stage and ready to step into your light. So that's all from me. If you want to book a one-on-one session with me, just visit www.kindverse.org, or you can connect with me on social media or through email. Namaste.